Hi there, this is Kimberly with AskSpot, and for this video, I will show you how to create Spotlight specifically made for an insurance agent. These clients have a very clear need. They want to generate qualified leads and book appointments, but they don't often have the time or the budget for a huge custom coded website. So now we can offer them something better, something that not only looks professional, but also acts as an assistant, answering questions and qualifying leads even while they sleep. So I will walk you through exactly how to build a powerful AI Spotlight page using AskSpot specifically for an insurance. Let's get started. I am now on my AskSpot dashboard. We will click a new business and create one specifically for our insurance agent clients. Let's create that, and then let's go inside and create a new spotlight. So for the name, let's call it Safe Cover Insurance and create. Next is, let's go inside that spotlight, and then let's go to settings and start to edit the header first. We will have to, of course, create the visual foundation. So this is why we will head straight to editing our header. So start with adding the logo. Let's add the logo of the insurance company. Let's do this and upload. Okay, so our logo has been uploaded. Next, let's change the title to Safe Cover Insurance, and then the button text. So that will be our call to action buttons. This is our primary conversion tool, and our goal is to book appointments. So the text would be book a free consultation. So let's add that right now. And then the button URL is, of course, the Calendly link of, there we go. Next, we will add custom links to function as a simple navigation menu. So we would like to showcase the services, of course, and then the client reviews, and then the blog, of course, and also maybe some contact info. So let's add, now let's add the URLs related to those. Right, so our custom links have been added. Let's put them at the center so that it looks great. Okay, next is we will head over to the profile section. This is where we will upload a professional headshot of our agent. So let's just call him James, and let's do a direct upload. So this is an AI generated headshot. So you can also use a profile video. You can ask your client to record a professional video of them welcoming users of the spotlights for a personalized experience. And then you can paste the embed code of that video right here. And also for the profile description, let's add. There you go. Let's just put the name, and then let's put just a short intro of their experience with insurance. And then we will also be adding his social media links. AskSpot makes this incredibly simple. So just add Facebook, then let's add LinkedIn maybe. And let's put that at center and done. Next is, let's bring this page to life by going back to settings, and over here on the chat section, you'll see the initial message. So this is the AI's opening line. We will use this one. There you go. And then let's add a few channels for the chat section. So over here on the channel section, let's add a few, maybe a question channel that asks, what's the best plan for a family of 4? And then let's let the AI generate a response. And let's add another channel, maybe a quote channel. code request, and then we just add the link where they can get the code request. And then let's add another button that maybe shows their policy info. Okay, next is, go and create, save changes. Okay, so now that we have added it here on the channel section, we can now add it on our initial welcome message channel section. This plan for family of 4, and then get a code request. Then for this one, it will be the policy info and save changes. All right, so now that we have added it here on our initial welcome message, we can just turn them off on the channels so that it would not look redundant when displayed on the Spotlight page. Okay, so that has been, we have now added the channel. So next, for the real magic, we will give AI its knowledge. So over here on the sources tab, this is how we make the AI an expert on our clients' businesses. So your client may have brochures, FAQ documents, or even just an email explaining their service. You can just quickly upload those directly here. So for this sample, we'll use a Q&A document. You will click add source. Here's the Q&A document about their insurance. And with the knowledge base loaded right here under sources, we just have one last step. So let's go back to settings and then click AI configuration. And this is where we will focus on the system prompt. So think of this as the AI's permanent job description. So we're going to place a custom prompt that we prepared. So let me just put that right here. So basically, you are defining its role, you are giving it a clear goal, and you are also setting its tone. So just make sure that when you are creating prompts for your AI agent, that you define the role, define the goal, and also the tone of the agent, the AI assistant. So now let's click this. And so now the setup is complete. Let's take a look at what we've created. So let me just copy the code to the Spotlight and open it. And there you go. So here's how it looks like. Here's how quickly we built this Spotlight for this insurance agent. So let's ask questions to the AI and let's see if it will able to answer us. All right, so it was able to provide us with the following answer. So over here, this is where you can book a free consultation. You can also change the look or the branding of this Spotlight. So over here in customization, we also got a few themes already available in here. Let's try to use this one. This one's a custom theme that I created. So let's just use this one. And now let's refresh and see it update live. So there you go. This is how it looks like right now. Feel free to recreate this on your own. So basically, you're just creating a high value lead generating asset that you can build for your clients in just under 10 minutes. So go ahead, you can find a local business owner who needs this, build them an AI Spotlight, and let us know if you've got any questions. AskSpot is always here for you. So thank you so much for watching.